So when I got started in firearms, I was just purchasing my firearms through commercial licensed dealers, and then it progressed to making my own firearms. So I've been making my own custom rifles for a while, and the natural progression was to start making my own ammunition because I can custom make the rounds specific to each individual rifle and each individual purpose. You know, we live in a time where our rights are constantly being challenged, and gun owners are constantly villainized in the media. So I like using social media to show that gun owners can be professional, responsible, law-abiding citizens, and people from all walks of life share this right and this hobby.